Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing part 2 of class 5 set C NSO paper of this year. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel. Question number 26. Read the statement and select the correct option. Dash is a rapid flow of snow down a slope such as hill or mountain. It is called avalanche. The hollow top of bowl-shaped volcanic mountain is called crater. Dash is the example of extinct mountain. It's Mount Thelson. Smaller quakes or tremor that occur after a massive earthquake is called aftershocks. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 27. Select the option on unscrambling gives the practice use for soil conservation. A is deforestation, second is weathering, third is embanking and fourth is overgrazing. So out of these four, only embanking helps in soil conservation. So option C. Number 28. Read the statement and select the option that correctly fill in the blanks. In winter, we wear woolen clothes made from wool, which is obtained from sheep. Dash is the first synthetic fiber, nylon. Linen is obtained from the dash of the flax plant, its stem. So option A. Read the given statement regarding planet. Its atmosphere is mainly made up of hydrogen and helium. It takes about 12 years to revolve around the sun and it has 95 moons. So it's a Jupiter planet. Given Venn diagram represent electrical appliances according to the forms of energy they convert from electrical energy. When they are used, which of the following best represent a television? It's R because in television the electric energy is converted into the light energy, heat energy and sound energy. So option C. Dash was the first Indian satellite launch in 1975. It's Aryabhatta, option B. Question number 32. Refer to the given diagram of internal structure of Earth and select the statement regarding P, Q, R and S of Earth. Here P is inner core, Q is outer core, R is mantle, S is crust. Layer P extend up to depth of 2900 km. No. Layer Q is mainly made up of magnesium and aluminum and remains solid despite its extreme hot temperature. No. Layer Y. Layer R is made up of nickel and iron. It about 2200 km thick. No. Layer S is a rocky and it is broken into many pieces called plates. Yes, it's a correct statement. Which of the following simple machines are of lever? P, Q and R. All the three are examples of lever. Complete the given analogy. Ursa Major, Great Bear, Orion, Hunter. Read the given statement and select the correct option, true or false. An injured person must be given first aid immediately. Yes. In case of bee sting, the bitten area tightly with bandage. No. In case of fainting, the person should be laid down. Her legs raised above her heart level to improve the blood flow to the brain. Yes. In case of minor burn, wash the burn area with cold water. Yes. So option B. Read the statement regarding the plant X. Plant X grows in the soil which is poor in mineral. Therefore, it fulfills its nutrient requirement by trapping and eating the insects. Select the option that can not be the plant X. A is an insectivorous plant, B is also insectivorous, C is also insectivorous. So D is not a insectivorous plant. Option D. Question number 37. Read the following statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Runoff water from an animal feedlot or forest adds organic pollutants and germs to the water bodies. Yes. Statement 2. Excessive use of fertilizers in agricultural field leads to eutrophication in water bodies. Yes, both the statements are true. But second statement is not the explanation of one. Hence option B. Dash is used to separate a mixture of oil and water. It's separating funnel. Refer the given flowchart and identify W, X and Y. Here W is a gas, X is a liquid and Y is solid. So W could be a material in which interparticle space is maximum? Yes, because W is gas, and in gas, interparticle space is maximum. Given table shows properties of four different materials P, Q, R, and S. Which of the following material is good conductor of electricity and used for making the jewelry? It's P because it is malleable, ductile, and lustrous. And for jewelry and good conductor of electricity, material P is best. Hence option A. Which of the following plants grows best in clay soil? It's paddy, that is rice. Match column 1 with 2. Beriberi caused because of vitamin B1 deficiency, anemia caused by iron deficiency, rickets caused by vitamin D deficiency, and goiter is caused due to the iodine deficiency. Hence option D. Select the option that correctly identifies examples of physical and chemical change. Rusting of iron not, it's a chemical change. Frying of egg, chemical change. Melting of butter, physical change. And formation of curd is a chemical change. Hence option C. Which among the following children made correct statement? Richa. Installation of electrostatic precipitators in the factories helps to reduce the air pollution. Yes. Shalu. Bicycle or walking instead of driving car for traveling a short distance helps to reduce air pollution. Yes. Discharging industrial waste into water bodies helps to reduce the water pollution. No. And forests must be protected to save the environment for future generation. Yes. So Richa, Shalu and Rashi make the correct statement. Option D. Question number 45. The seed shown in the given picture is dispersed by wind because it's a dandelion. Let's start the achiever section. Question number 46. Identify the label parts X, Y, Z in the given diagram of human eye and select the correct statement. Here X is retina, Y is lens and Z is cornea. X helps to form an image whereas Y helps to send messages to the brain through the optic nerve. No. Y help to focus light onto the X whereas Z mainly maintain the shape of eyeball. No. X is a layer of light sensitive receptor at the back of the eye whereas Z absorb the majority of UV radiations from sun. Yes. Question number 47. Shweta made three groups consisting of three plants each on the basis of vegetative reproduction. She placed one wrong plant in each group. Identify the wrong plant in each group and select the correct option. Group 1 potato, beetroot, ginger. Here potato and ginger are the stem and beetroot is a root, so it is a wrong member. In group 2, dahlia, carrot, garlic, dahlia and carrot grow through roots and garlic grow through cloves. In group 3, begonia, bryophyllum and onion. Begonia and bryophyllum reproduce through leaf and onion not. So onion is the odd member. So correct answer is C. Beetroot of the group 1 should be replaced by turmeric because turmeric also a stem. Which of the following cannot be found in the given word grid? A. Upward push of water on a floating object is called buoyancy. It is given in the grid. A renewable and non-polluting source of energy is some natural source like wind, air, sunlight, but it is not given. Then a simple machine consisting of beam or a rigid rod pivoted at a fixed hinge, its lever, it is given. A force that causes moving things to slow down and eventually stop is called frictional force, it is also given. So option B is the correct answer. Read the paragraph where few words have been italicized and select the incorrect option. Atmosphere of Earth is divided into four layers. Troposphere is the first layer above the Earth's surface. It extends up to 16 km. Mesosphere is the second layer and prevent small rocks and meteoroids from reaching the Earth. It extends up to 600 km above the Earth's surface. Thermosphere is the fourth and the coldest layer, where many satellites orbit in the Earth. We have to find the incorrect option. 4 should be replaced by 5, whereas first should not be replaced as it is mentioned correctly. Yes, because there are 5 layers, not 4. 16 kilometers should not be replaced, whereas second should be replaced with third as it is mentioned incorrectly. Yes. Meteoroids should be replaced with UV rays, whereas 600 kilometers should not be replaced as it is mentioned correctly. No, it's a incorrect statement. So option C. Number 50. Read the given statement and select the option that correctly identifies true and false. Harmful gases releases into the atmosphere have created holes in the ozone layer present in the troposphere. No. Hole is caused due to the CFC gases. Increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere leads to decrease in the temperature of the earth. No. It increases the temperature of the earth. Montreal Protocol was signed by different countries in 1987 to protect the ozone layer by phasing out the production and use of ozone depleting substances. Yes, deforestation is an effective method for conservation of soil. No. Chemicals present in the polluted water decreases the amount of oxygen in the water which leads to death of aquatic animals. Yes. So option A is the correct answer. In this way, class 5 set C paper NSO paper of this is explained. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.